Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and so we're gonna do an unboxing video. I'm gonna open this box because I voted the nice and the kindest boy in 8th grade at the Conneaut Lake Middle School. Yep, so that's great news. Yep, so let's start opening that box. See what's inside. And the box is a croonin' critter singing dog. Let's check and see what's inside. Let me stand up so you guys can see that video better. Actually, I can sit down. That's fine. Ooh, I see a box. And here's the box. Let's see what's inside. And it's a plastic bag in there. Oh my gosh! Look at what I got! I got a black and white dog. It looks like a Japanese chin. Does it have any batteries in it? It's really cute. I got the singing black and white dog. It's really cute. And it says Croonin' Critters right here. He's really cute. Is there something else in there? Yep, I got the Croonin' Critters singing black and white dog. Is it in the on switch or on the off? Yep, this one's off. Yep, I think it needs batteries. So I'm going to change the batteries on that dog and see if it works. Here we go. I changed new batteries in it, and let's see if this dog works.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
He's really cute. Yeah, I looked on eBay and it plays Deck the Halls. But this one sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas. I thought it sings Deck the Halls, but it sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas. He's really cute. His mouth moves and the head moves really well.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
He's really cute. And it also said Canine Crooners. So Canine Crooners right here. And I see a Canine Crooner on his body. And this one's made by Department 56. Yep, so this one sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas. I thought it sings Deck the Halls, but it sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas with his male voice. If it sings Deck the Halls, it makes a female dog voice like my Westie. Yep, so the Westie. Yep, so I looked on eBay on that dog, and it says Deck the Halls, but I thought it sings Deck the Halls, but it sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas with his male voice. This is the one that sings Deck the Halls with the female dog voice. So I'm gonna push the button.
It's finally Christmas. Let's get out the decorations. Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Yep, so that one sings Deck the Halls with her female dog voice. Yep, I thought that one sings Deck the Halls, but it sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas with. Yeah, I thought this one sings Deck the Halls, but it sings We Wish You a Merry Christmas with his male voice. He's really cute. Yep, and it says Croonin' Critters right here. So here's my unboxing video. So yep, so here is the unboxing video for being the nice for voted the nice and the kindest boy in 8th grade at the nicest and kindest boy in 8th grade at the Conneaut Lake Middle School. He's really cute. Yep, so the unboxing video that I got is this singing Christmas black and white dog. It's a crooning critter. So goodbye and have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Or I'll make a video tomorrow. That sounds good. Okay, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Oh, wait. Okay, I always forgot. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you like later today or tomorrow. Or Sunday or Monday, so probably tomorrow or later. Okay, have a great weekend, and I'll see you, and I'll see you later, Sunday, tomorrow, have a great weekend, and I'll see you, I'll see you tomorrow or later, and I'll see you on Sunday or Monday. Goodbye. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow or later today, or later. Yeah, I'm not going to say later today. I'm going to say later. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you later tomorrow or Sunday or Monday.